Okay, so this next question is, it also says find a point in x-axis which is equidistant from minus 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 3. So that point, it is, so this particular point, it is in x-axis. Okay, it is found in x-axis, and this point which is in x-axis, that means anywhere in this x-axis, it is equal distance from this point and from this third point. Okay, so just imagine this point is here. Let's say this point which is an x-axis is here. Now from here is equal to minus 2 comma 5, and this third point, that is 2 comma minus 3. Okay, that is what we have to find. So this point that is equidistant from these 2 points, it is here on the x-axis. Okay, so let's solve this question now. So here let's a it is equal to minus 2 comma 5, right? Point A has these two. Okay, point A has these two coordinates, minus 2 and 5, and then point B, it has this coordinate 2 and minus 3. Okay, these are the two coordinates for B. And the third one, which is in x-axis, that point should also have its own coordinates, right? It should. So therefore, let's say that point is P, and therefore the coordinate will be x and 0. Okay, because it is a point on x-axis, right? So your y will be what? The point on y, will there be any point y? There will be no point on y, so y will be 0. Okay, so P is x comma 0. Okay, all right, so we know that PA square is equal to PB square. Okay, so we will solve this one now. So here we have, so therefore square root x2 minus x1 whole thing square plus y2 minus y1 whole thing square is equal to, for PB square also, for PB it will also be x2 minus x1 whole thing square plus y2 minus y1 whole thing square. Okay, so all right, we can cancel the square root from the left hand side and the right hand side. So x2 will give us x minus 2 whole thing square. Okay, whole thing square plus y2 minus y1 will be 0 minus 5 whole thing square. It will be equal to x minus 2 whole thing square plus 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 whole thing square. Okay, okay, so x minus into minus, it will be plus, right? So x plus 2 whole thing square plus minus 5 whole thing square. Okay, so is equal to x minus 2 whole thing square. It will give us x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square plus 0 plus 3 whole thing square. Okay, this one will give 0 plus 3 whole thing square. So x plus 2 whole thing square, it will be x square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, plus 25 is equal to x square minus 2 into 2 will be 4x plus 4 plus 0 plus 3, it will be 3 square. Okay, so x square from left hand side and the x square from the right hand side we can remove, and this will give us 2x into 2, this will be 4x plus 4 plus 25 Okay, so is equal to minus 4x plus 4 plus 9. Okay, so 4x combined with 4x, so 4x plus, bring 4x to the left hand side, it will become plus, right? So 4x plus 4x, here we will get 8x, right? 4x, if you bring 4x to the left hand side, it will become plus. 4x plus 4x, it will be 8x plus, so here we will get here 24, 4 plus 25, it will be, okay, 4 plus 25. Let us bring these numbers to the left hand side. So minus 4 and minus 9 is equal to 0. All right. So now 8x, 4 and 4 is cancelled. So plus 25 minus 9, it will be how much? 25 minus 9 will be, it will be 16. So is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore x will be equal to 16 over 8. Right. 16 over 8. Minus 16, right? Minus 16 over 8. So therefore x will be equal to minus 2. Okay, so therefore the points of P, so P will be, the points of P will be minus 2 comma 0. Okay, minus 2 comma 0. So this is the solution for this sum.